In this video, I will show you how to calculate the average by year in Excel like this. So let's get started. I have some transactions with dates and amounts in this Excel sheet. Now I want to calculate the average amount by year. For example, for the year 2022, I want to average these two amounts, and for the year 2023, I want to get the average of these three amounts. We can use the Excel AVERAGEIFS function to calculate the average per year. The AVERAGEIFS function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria arguments to this function. To get the average by years, I will find transactions having dates greater than or equal to the first day of the year, which is 1st January, and less than or equal to the last day of the year, which is 31st December. I will use the Excel date function that accepts individual year, month, and day values to create the first and last dates of the year. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type AVERAGEIFS followed by an opening bracket. Since we want to average the amount cells for the year, I will select the range of the cells containing the amount as the first argument. Let's select the range of the cells containing dates as the first criteria range argument. Type a comma and then type the greater than or equal to sign in the double quotes. Type the ampersand sign and then append the date of the first day of the year created using the date function like this. Here, the date function creates the date of the first day of the year. For example, for the first date, this will create a date of 1st January 2021. Type a comma and then select the range of the cells containing dates as the second criteria range argument. Type a comma and then type the less than or equal to sign. Type the ampersand sign and then append the date of the last day of the year created using the date function like this. For the first date, this date function will create the date of the last day of the year, which is 31st December 2021. Type the closing bracket of the AVERAGEIFS function. Overall, this formula means calculate yearly average of all the amount cells where the transaction date is greater than or equal to the first day of the specified year and less than or equal to the last day of the same year. I will make the amount and date range references absolute using the dollar signs like this so that they do not change when I copy the formula to other cells. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the year-wise average amount. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.